What's up, Pyros? These are by Bright Star. Hello Summer. Got watermelon, apple, pineapple, and grape. Got all four of them for $10. So we're fixing to shoot them all at one time. And we're going to shoot them in the order that they was. Which one is this one? Watermelon. See what watermelon has to offer. Huh. Alright. Kind of like yellow. Let's see what this is. This is the apple. Oh, no, that's pretty cool there. Definitely the best one so far. Nice. That was the apple one. This is the pineapple one. Yeah. That second one was good. I was impressed with that one. First one kind of sucked. Hey, this is not bad. It's got a blue flame. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That's changed now. Whoa. Not so bad. Second one, and then the third one, man, that was pretty much a tie. All right, let's see what this great one does. I figure some kind of purple or something, maybe blue. Nice snow pine. That's old school craps right there, man. Yeah, nice blue in it. So, number 2 and 3, best ones. The last one, that watermelon, that sucked. Pyros out.